Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to brand new video. Today we are going to convert our by default Django admin panel into this, and we are not going to use any template or source code for our admin panel. We will just use a Django package by the name of django-unfold, and by the help of this package we will able to convert our normal by default Django admin panel into this one. Let's start the video. I am in my VS Code and I already created a project by the name of admin project, and I have an app by the name of core. So first of all, I'm going to in my settings.py and adding our app into our installed app list. So simply I will write here core and it's done. And second thing, we are going to run our server. For server I am going to use my bash terminal, and in terminal I am going to write our command python manage.py run server, and boom, our project is running. So I am going to my IP 127.0:8000, and you can see our Django is successfully installed and our project is also working fine. So first of all, you can see we are seeing an migration error. So first of all, I am going to make migrations, and for migrations I am simply typing a command python manage.py migrate, and after migration I am going to create a super user, and for creating super user I will use a command which one is python manage.py create super user, and I'm going to give a username admin, email address will be also admin @gmail.com, password will be also admin. Yes, and our you can see our super user is created successfully. So first of all I'm again run my server, and if I come here and go to my admin panel, if you guys are familiar with Django, you will be know that by default our Django admin panel will be created automatically by Django. So it is my admin panel. I am going to give username and password. Our username and password is admin, and boom, you can see our admin panel. And we all know this is our by default admin panel, and now we are going to convert our by default admin panel into this one. So first of all, we will write our custom one model here. So for model I'm going to in my apps.py, and in apps I'm going in my model, and I will write my first model, which I will be write class, and you can create model by for anything. I will write here for example comment. So our model name is comment, and I am going to pass here model start model, and in our model I am going to pass my message, and message equal to models dot text field, and boom, our model is created, and I am going to return def underscore underscore str, and we will return pass parameter of self and return self dot id, and we all know id is integer, for we have to convert this integer into an string format. So for converting this into string format I will wrap this in str. So str will be help to convert our id into a string, and you can see our model is created. And after creating model we have to need to make migrations, and for migrations I am again going to open my terminal, and in terminal I am going to run my command python manage.py make migration. First of all clear, and I will type python manage.py make migrations and enter, and you will see our model is created. And after that I am going to run my migrate command. For this I will use python manage.py migrate, and our migration is done. And again rerun the server python manage.py run server, and if I am going here and reload our admin page, you still we can't see our model. For displaying our model into admin panel we have to register our model in our admins.py, and here is my admin.py. First of all I will import my admin. For this I will use for from core dot models import and I will import my model by the name of command, and you can see my model is imported. And after that I am going to use registered. Here I will use admin.site dot register, and I will register here comment, and save and reload, and you will see our comment model is displaying here. And if I open this and I will add some comment, for example, hello, this is test model, and if I'm going to save, you will see our model is saved and our id is displaying here. This is because in our model we return self.id, that's why our id is displaying here. And if you also want to display some your content, your comment content message, then you will use can make an admin class. For this I will use class comment admin, and in here I will pass admin dot model admin, and I will use list display, and in list display I will pass id, and second thing I will pass our message. For message I am going to copy this variable and paste it here, and after that I will register it. For this I will use admin dot register and put at the rate, so our model is also registered here. Done. And again I am going here and reload, and when I reload you can see our id and our message is not displaying well. So this is just our model. Now we have to install package in our project which name is django-unfold. So I'm going to copy this command and again open my terminal, and first of all I will stop this terminal and clear, and for this I will use command pip install django and unfold. So I'm here typing pip install django minus unfold, and this one you can see command and hit enter, and it will automatically install our django unfold. You can see our django unfold package is installed successfully. Now we are going to follow this documentation for implementing this admin panel and replace our by default admin panel with this one. So by default this is a unfold django admin theme. You can research about it, and also you can study about it here, about its visual sidebars, modes, favicons, colors, blah blah, lot of things. So first of all we installed, and after that we have to add this in our installed app. I am going to copy here, and this one I'm going to copy this unfold, copy, and into my settings.py I will add here unfold. And you can see there is one, okay, you can see there is one requirement, django.contrib.admin is required. If you want that your unfold work fine perfectly without an error, then make sure django.contrib.admin is already installed in your installed app section. And you can see in our installed app list my django.contrib.admin is already registered, so that's why I'm simply registered my unfold first of all. And second thing we have to I think it's done, we don't need to change anything more. First of all I'm going okay, so again open my terminal, and I will run my some migrations. In my terminal I will use clear and run python many.py make migrations, and if need any migration it will be automatically tested. Python many.py migrate, and it's done. So now I'm going to simple python rerun my server. So for this I will use python many.py run server, and if I come here and reload, and boom, you guys can see my admin panel, fully admin panel is changed successfully. Just I simply installed my package, and after that I just simply add unfold in my installed app list in settings.py. Our admin panel is working fine. Now you can see some glitches, and we are going to fix it now. You can see these are our models, which is group, user, core, comment. These group and user models are by default, and after that you can see comment model here. And when I open my comment model, you can see the section tag styling is not working. You can see its color scheme is not good, and this checkbox is also not working. And if for some time open, you can open this and you can see our text field is also not working fine. You can see its UI design is lil. So now we are going to fix these typos. For this you have to simple import model admin, and for this you have to go your admin.py, and here we will add from unfold.admin import model admin as unfold model admin. Just simply import this, and where you registered admin.model admin, instead of this simply pass your unfold admin panel, and it's done. Again save this and rerun your server. And now if I come here and reload my server, you can see our these are typos is fixes. Now you can see our drop-in is also working fine, and our checkbox also fixes. And if I open this, you can see our text field is also working fine, and our themes like dark theme and white theme also working fine without any mistake. And this is for the that's is for today video. You can see our basic admin is installed successfully. So now we have to change some more configuration, like we are going to review these settings for some more thing. And if I'm going here and rescroll, you can see there is this available setting option for our unfold admin panel. You can see there is lot of stuff, blah blah blah, but we don't need all of this. We are going to simply use some of stuff. For example, you have to, first of all we are going to import this, and I am copy here and go to my settings.py, and in last I will declare here unfold admin config. We are going to do some configurations here, and first of all I will do these necessary imports, and after these imports we are going to copy this whole unfold setting, and after copying this we will change it according to our need. But first of all I am going to copy this, control C copy, and just wait a second. Okay, copy, and I am going to paste it here. First of all, if I paste it, it will be show lots of error, and our servers will also not working. Like there's lot of typo mistake. You can see star object is not callable, etc. So first of all, there is site title, site header, site URL, site icons, and here you will pass your favicons for light mode, dark mode, etc and etc. So first of all, I'm going to remove this dashboard callback and environment. Then after that I will simply remove these style scripts, we don't need this, and also I'm going to remove this login. After that you can see extensions, but these are not working too much good, so I'm going to remove these extensions as well, and in show research, and after that just wait a second. Okay, so first of all if I save it and reload, you can see still this error is here, and for fixing this one we are going to remove this one. Oh no, we are going to remove this tab section, and when I will remove the tab section and reload, and let's see our error is still here or not, and you can see still our error is changed. Now it's saying user change list is not valid, blah blah blah, and for this I am going to remove this user list as well, user dictionary basically as well. Save and reload, and you can see our errors are gone now. So first of all you can see our sidebar is changed. Now there is saying a simple app badge callback etc. So I will change there lot of stuffs. First of all I am going to change my site title. I will type here YouTube webcock, and this is my site title. I will pass the same as in my site header. You can see there is no logo, and when I reload, why it's showing error? Basically we have to convert this into string, so I'm going to convert this text into string format and save and reload. And when it's reload, let's check our terminal. Okay, our server was closed. Clear python manage.py run server and reload. You can see our site title. Next thing we have to pass here our icons, and for icons you can use static path, or as well you can pass some icons directly in your settings.py project or admin, and you can also create a static folder. And in static I will create a new folder by the name of logo, and in logo I will pass my logo. So for that I am going to open my directory, and in directory we are going in our brand kit, and here is our dps, and I will select any of one which you like. For example, this one I am going to copy, and again go to in our util folder, and here is admin panel and project, and here is our static folder, and here is logo, and in logo folder I am going to paste my logo, which name is pw.jpeg. And here you can see in static logo we have pw.jpeg file here. And now I am going to pass here the path of file. So for this I am simply use this method, like I will pass static slash logo slash pw.jpeg, and I think so it's done. And I'm simply going to copy this and paste same icon for our dark mode. But you can change different icon, like for light mode you can change different one, and for dark mode you can change different one. But still you can see our logo and site icon is not working. So let's see how to fix this. You can see there is static configuration. It means we have to use our static path, and instead of giving this we can simply pass our static path. But for passing static file configuration we need to register set static file configuration, and you can see here we can't pass any static file configuration. So I will pass here static files underscore dirs equal to, and here I will pass os dot path. Instead of I will make a list and pass os dot path, but before using os I will import here, and on the top of my file I will import here import os, and here I will configure our path os dot path dot join base dir, and our static folder name, which one is static static. And you can see our static files configuration is done. And after that we will pass here directly logo slash pw.jpeg, meaning in our static folder we have a folder by the name of logo, and in this folder we have a file by the name of pw.jpeg, and I think it's done. I'm going to save this, and first of all I will check my terminal, is it working fine, and I'm going to reload here. And when I reload you can see our icon is working fine. You will see an icon here, it's mean our icons are working well. So this is next we are going to change some more things. And you can see, first of all you can see we don't have an theme switch icon here. You can see there is no theme switch icon. This is because in our settings.py we mentioned here theme equal to dark. It will force our theme dark or light. You can see we force our theme into dark mode, and now we are only seeing dark mode, there is no light mode. But if you want to force your theme for light mode, you can simply set light, and after reload you will see your light theme. But if you want a switch toggler menu for switching your theme between light and dark, you can simply delete this line and reload, and when you reload this time you can see this theme switch icon. Like now you can change your theme into dark, light mode and system mode as well, this one. And in our both modes our logo is working fine, you can check out here. I know this logo is too much small and size is not looking well, but you can use your logo according to your requirements. And here is our site logo, site icon. Here next thing we have to pass here our five icons. You can see there is no five icon, and for passing five icon I am going to simply pass this logo as well. So here in static I will pass this logo slash pw.jpg, and when I'm reload you can see our five icon has been changed successfully. You can see in our title bar, and it's done. Next thing, there is history section. If you want to show your recent action and history, you can simply enable it, and if you don't want, you can simply false. After that you can see this show view on site. So basically these stuff are showing visit our site, like for this view site. If you want to this in your admin panel, you can make it true, otherwise for hiding you can change it into false. Done. And there is our colors. I am not going to disturb them. After that we have sidebar, basically this one. So in sidebar, first of all we have show search. You can see there is no search bar displaying, but if you want a search bar which will work all across your admin panel, you can simply change this into true. And when you change this into shift this into true, and I'm going to reload, and you can see a search bar has been appeared here. And to be honest, this search bar is very useful. I will recommended you to use this search bar when you are going to use this admin panel, because it helps us a lot in searching of model. Because when you have a mega project, you have lot of admins and lot of models, then this search bar will be helps you a lot in searching for your models. For example, this is my search bar, and we make one model by the name of comment, and if I want to search here, I will simply type here comment, and you can see it showing us core. Core is basically our app name, and in our app core we have a model by the name of comment, and if I click this, you can see our comment model is opened. So that's why I was saying this search bar is very helpful. After that, in settings.py we have show all application button. Basically you can see there is search bar, there is our dashboard, there is no application, like application button, no is here. So I'm going to simply change into false, and when I will change it, you will see a show application button in our sidebar. And I'm going to reload, and you can see in bottom we have an all application. When I click this, one more dash sidebar open, and you can see all your applications models see here. Here first of all we have our by default authentication and authorization, which have user and group model. After that we have our custom app core, which we make a model by the name of comment. And if you want to see all your application button, you can add this, and but if you don't want this, you can simply make it false. After that you can see we have a title for navigation. Like you can see this is navigation, and in navigation we have a dashboard. When I click on this dashboard, our dashboard basically opened. So this is title. Our title is navigation, which you are shown here. If I change this by like navigation webhook and save, and if I'm going to reload, you can see our text is changed into navigation webhook. First thing. Second thing, there is separator. You can see a separator is here, but if you want to show a separator, you can see make it true. Basically this is a top border, which you can see here. If I switch this mode into light, maybe you can see it clearly, but it is hide. This one basically I was talking about. So this is our separator if you want. After that we have collapsible. Collapsible basically mean you can collapse your sidebar like this. So I'm making it as keeping it as by default. After that, in our main navigation we have drop down by the name of one item which is dashboard, and you can see here is our title basically is dashboard. You can make it dashboard 2.0, and when I'm going to reload, you will see our text will be changed into dashboard 2.0. After that, we have an icon which basically show this icon. You can see we have an icon with our on left side of our dashboard, and if I am again remove dashboard, you will see icon. You can change icons here, and you can write documentation spotted icons and font. Basically they are using Google fonts, so I am writing here fonts.google.com for checking fonts, and we can simply change font whichever we want through this Google. And after that, you can see this is our link. Basically link is that whenever we are click on this button, it will be redirect us on a page, and for giving this page we have to pass link here. After that, we have a badge. In badge we have a text simple app badge callback. You can see we are seeing badge with the text sample underscore app dot badge underscore callback. We can change it by like I will change it with the our main admin, and you can see, and if I am reload, you will see our admin badge will change with the text of main admin. Alright, and there is permission, and I made this permission. This link is only accessible by super users, so this is our by default permission. And if you want to change icons, you can see here, basically I mean to say icons, font Google / icons. So in icons we have lot of options available. You can see there are a lot of Google fonts options. For example, this is home icon. I want to use this. Simply open this and scroll up here and just read the name of icon name. You can see our icon name is home. Basically icon name is home. Simply come here, icon name is dashboard. Change this dashboard icon with the name of home. Save, and if I'm going to reload here, you can see our icon is changed. So basically that's the main stuff. Now you can adjust all your admin panel according to this. For example, in dashboard I want to add one more thing for my comment model. So for comment model, I am simply in our item list, I am going to copy this one as it is and paste it here. And first of all, I will change my text with the name of comment, and icon I will use here, I will search on here, and you can select any of icon which you want. For example, I will search comment. Let's see what we will see in result. Comment, and this is comment. Basically I want to use this icon name is basically chat, and in icon I will pass chat, and here we have to pass our link. We will pass it later. Here is our badge. You can see a badge is displaying here, which we add main admin. If you want badge, you can keep it, but if you don't want this badge, simply remove it from here. And permissions are by default super user. And now if I reload here, you can see a comment value is added here, but when I am click here, it redirect us on our same admin panel page. I mean, when we click on dashboard, we are on the same page, and when we click on comment, still we are on same page. This is because in the link we pass admin :index, which means we have to pass in our dashboard admin panel, but we have to pass it our comment model. For this we have to use admin : first of all I have to pass my app name, then I have to use underscore, and after underscore I have to pass my model name. So I want, when I click on this comment model, my this model, basically this comment model data is open. So my model name is comment. Simply copy your model name and pass here comment in lowercase. After that add one more underscore and pass here callbacks, call backs backs. Save, and this is our link. After that I am going to reload here, and boom, we got an error. Let's see how to fix this score underscore. We are using Stack Over. We are going to use Stack Overflow for fixing this one error. I know this video is too long, but it helps you a lot to maintaining your admin panel according to your own needs. um, hmm, this one is okay. Okay, all right. So we make a mistake. Instead of using this callbacks, we have to pass change list here. So I'm going to remove this keyword callback and add change list. And after that, simply I'm going to save this and reload. And when I reload, you can see our error is gone. And when I'm going to click on this command model, you can see our command model is opening fine. It's mean we add our one more section and it is also working fine. So this is the step for making your admin panel more advanced. And you can see there is our main drop down notification webhook, and in this we have our dashboard and comment model. But if you also want to more, you can also add these more navigations. You can see this is our main navigation. I am going to copy this whole navigation. You can see our navigation list, and in our navigation list we have an main navigation and we have two sub navigation bar for dashboard and command. Now I'm going to copy this full navigation, paste it here, and I'm going to change this text navigation 2.0 and I'm going to save it. And when I reload, you can see now we have two navigations. First one is navigation webhook and second one is navigation 2.0. And when I open this navigation 2.0, you can see here dashboard and command model. If I click on dashboard, I am here, and if I click on command, I am here. You can add multiple items here. For example, I am going to remove this comment here, and for dashboard I am passing dashboard 3.0, and if I'm and icon I will also pass dash bo ARD dashboard. And if I am going to reload, you can see our text and data will be changed. In navigation 2 we have dashboard 3.0 with different icon, and you can also change text in your batch, and you can pass different link here if you want. And it's done. I think no, we don't need to change anything else. So that's it for today video. I hope you guys like this video, and you have basic grip on you have idea how you can change your admin panel according to your own. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.